Employees are currently coming in and out. I did get this long driveway taken care of. Put some salt down.
Got a little bit scraped off over here, went ahead and salted. Stopped snowing though, so that's good. Got her all salted out. Should melt off pretty good here shortly.
So as you can see, Sean just got here. He joined me at this property. This is one of our biggest properties, and it's best that we just tag team it. So what I was working on before he got here was all these truck bays and everything. I am back dragging them out, and then we'll just go ahead and push everything back that way.
All right, got all the walkways shoveled out. Gonna get them salted here real quick before they freeze up or get covered back up. Hopefully stay on top of it. Got about, let's say an hour probably before most of the office employees start coming in. So this is midnight crew. TQ still working away way out there. Getting a decent melt off. It's just so cold. I think we're in about 20 degrees right now.
How's it going?
Trying to smile, but my lips are gonna snap if I do. Going good though.
A little frozen?
A little bit, just a little bit. I still gotta push this edge.
Okay.
I just scraped it all off the walkway onto it.
Well, that part where I back drug, I'm gonna go ahead and salt.
All right, go ahead. Let's go ahead and get that done before morning shift gets in here.
Okay.
All right, went ahead and put me one more bucket up there. Got all the way out to the corner. I still got to push this edge here, salt a little bit more in here, but just 5 minutes of doing all the walkways. You can see how much it's already melted off. That's what we want. All right, guys, TQ is gonna go do her route now. I'm gonna go take care of mine. We're melting off here pretty good. Started snowing again, pretty heavy though, so I'm sure we'll be back in a while. We got all the bays clear. Semi shouldn't have a problem coming in and out. What up?
You guys for hire? Do you have a card or a contact? You guys are set up to do this stuff, so I will.
Are you all right for today? Because I mean, if you need like a bay or a few cleaned out just to operate, I can get that taken care of real quick.
I mean, I'll talk to her when she comes in Is your cell on here?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you guys getting ready to leave here?
Yeah, she's gonna be heading to another location. I'm heading down to Canton South, so.
All I'm really gonna do.
But we'll be back here in a while. Now, per time, you're probably gonna be like, I'd say 250, 300 without knowing a rough time period.
For what you see here.
Yep.
And that's plow and salt?
Plow and salt, yep.
All right, thank you.
All right, brother.
I don't have a card, or I'd give you one.
No worries. Just got here to this big old commercial. One employee beat me here. I was talking to him for a minute. And yeah, it's kind of in between right now. It's like a really wet snow. It's snow. It's not rain, but it's pretty darn close. Which is okay, because it's gonna be warm enough to help us melt off. So let's get to it here. All right, got that lot taken care of. Still got the front to do, but we'll get that taken care of off camera.
All right guys, so I got this lot all taken care of. I back drug a lot of the parking lot as much as I can, and then right here, as you can tell, I pushed some of the snow to one side. I didn't, normally we would just take it wherever we could, but back dragging it seems to be a lot easier when you're plowing. This is a gravel lot, so when you're plowing a gravel lot, back dragging, that way you're not digging. As we stated in a previous video, I did back drag this whole lane. I did 2 passes coming back. Just pushed the excess right there. Yeah, I'm all done here. I'm gonna see what Sean's up to. Maybe meet up with him.
TQ just called, said she's finishing up one she's at right now. Probably still got about 20 more minutes, but we're working through it. It was really nice this morning because, like I stated, only 1 employee was here when I got here, so looks like 2 showing up now. They're mainly truck drivers, so just got those areas all clear, and they're mainly getting in their semis and taking off for the day. So. Alright guys, coming back through, cleaning up what we need to, hitting any spots that really didn't melt off as much as we'd hoped to, but yeah, getting after it. All right, thought I had more in there than I did, but got it taken care of. It's almost like a light rain right now, so yeah, we'll see what happens here in a little while.